Now here is the ARRMA infraction V2, and here is the ARRMA infraction V2 with ZD Racing EX07's body. It fits perfect. Now let's compare these two bodies. You can see the ZD's has a lot of details. Here you can see the real light. This is just the panel, and the Mustang's logo, and the big engine. And even you can see the handles and the rear wings and the rear lights. Here you see the wheels for the front and rear lights. This body fits the ARRMA's perfect. So if you didn't like the ZD Racing's chassis, you can just buy the bodies and put it on your infractions. Here is the instructions, the bodies. Nothing. By the way, the infractions has a good design. Here you can see when your tires becomes bigger, when the RPM is so high, it will damage it. So there's nothing in the ZD Racing. I think this is a perfect design from ARRMA's. ARRMA's good jobs. Now let's compare the chassis. Now here you can see the ZD Racing's the wheelbase is a little bit longer than the ARRMA infractions. Now this wheelbase is 406 millimeters, and this may be 413. Here you can see the ZD tires is bigger than the ARRMA's. This is the diameter is 105 millimeters. Now look at the front bumper forms. The ARRMA's is softer. And this is the body's mount. Look at the suspension towers. Now this is CNC aluminum, and this just metals, forged metals. By the way, the ZD Racing's suspensions shocks are all metals. Here at the ARRMA's, here is plastic. And here you can see this is metals, and this is plastic. This has two braces. The ARRMA's only have one. Servo place, receivers. By the way, the ZD Racing's the motor mount, it can't rotate like ARRMA's to here for some bigger motors, just as the Castle 2028. No, this is a drawback. And the ARRMA's battery tree is larger than the ZD's, but you can put your batteries in the skirt here, just to put And the ZD's ARRMA is I think the diameter is the same, maybe the same. Now let's look at the shafts here. You know, the wheelbase is so long, so the ZD's put it to 2, front and rear, so it is so stable. Now ARRMA's use bearings here to decrease the vibrations. I think the ZD's is much more better than the ARRMA's. As for the diffuse, the ARRMA's is so beautiful, and the ZD's just plastic. So funny. Oh, by the way, this is also metals here, but ARRMA's is plastic. Metals. So the ZD's EX07, it uses a lot of aluminum, so you even didn't to upgrade. But here you can see the suspensions here is so soft, and it's ARRMA's. So if you want to modify the EX07 for speed runs, you must upgrade your springs for the suspensions. And maybe the dog boys. Let's open this. So that's all about the chassis for the 217 cars. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!